Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix background issues and make your story look exactly how you want it. If you're starting with a blank background and want to change the color, take any photo, then tap the Draw tool. Pick the color you want from the palette at the bottom of the screen. After choosing a color, tap and hold on the screen for about 2 seconds. This will fill the entire background with the color you selected. Now your background is ready. You can add text, stickers, or any other elements by tapping on the respective icons at the top. If you want to use a custom image for your background, start by uploading the photo you want to use. You can either select it from your camera roll or take a new photo. Once uploaded, you can pinch to zoom or resize the background image to fit your story screen the way you like it. If you're creating a text-only post, Instagram automatically applies a gradient background. To switch it up, swipe through different preset background gradients. And that's it. Now you know how to customize the background of your Instagram story, whether it's a solid color, gradient, or custom image. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!